Then guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashif'S world. So today we've come to Teesside Park and we thought to ourselves, you know what, let's go to Costa Coffee. You know what, we'll bring you guys with us as well. So let's go inside Costa Coffee guys now. So here we are guys, in areas outside Costa Coffee. Look at these, you got the new Primark there and a nice shop as well. You've got plenty of parking here to park your car. Today is a beautiful day guys, you know what, it's been a nice weather throughout the day today. It's been really warm and Costa Coffee, look at these, you've got nice seating areas here as well. You've got nice little greeny grass which is beautiful to sit there and enjoy. So we've got some breakfast offers on here guys. This is your breakfast offer. So let's make our way inside Costa Coffee. So here we are guys, we've just arrived in Costa Coffee, so you'll see plenty of sandwiches here and you got some nice crisps, so plenty of crisps to choose from as well, and you got some nice muffins. Oh, they look nice, don't they? You got some nice delicious cakes here, look at these, they look beautiful. Wow, beautiful. So here's your menu here guys, that you got different kind of variety of teas or cold drinks or coffees to choose from. Now I'm going to have a look at the menu, see what I'm going to go for. Got some nice ice cold waters there as well. Right then guys, so what I'm going to go for is I'm going to go for a nice cup of coffee for that this lemon muffin. Because this lemon muffin looks beautiful. Plenty of seating areas here guys. Plenty of seating areas inside. Right then guys, so here we are, we've got our coffee and we also got our lemon muffin. Wow, I just can't wait to try this lemon muffin. Right, let's give this a taste, the lemon muffin. Right then guys, we've got our cappuccino coffee here and on top of that is sprinkled with chocolate. Right, wow, that looks beautiful. Right, let's give this a taste. Oh wow, very nice, nice and sweet. Let's give this muffin a taste. Right then guys, here we are, we've got the lemon cake here. Nice and sweet, you can taste the lemon flavour as well in this, which this has been amazing. Nice people behind the counter, just did the job. We got our coffee within like 2 minutes. It was fantastic, really good, nice and fast. Right then guys, we've just come out of Costa and you know the coffee was amazing, we've had a good time. Let's finish up the vlog here everyone, I hope everyone enjoyed that. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment, subscribe, take care and I'll see you all for the next one.